Hello, my name is Dolapo and welcome to Oyi in the Kitchen. If you've seen me before, you've probably noticed that I've been gone a really long time, but I am back now and I'm back with just a really simple drink recipe. I'll tell you the measurements that I'm using, but I just want this to be a make something along with me and see how it goes thing. I'm making a Nigerian drink called Zobo. So it's made from Zobo leaves or hibiscus leaves, as they call it in English, I think. And these are the leaves. These are the leaves right here. So they usually have like a really tart flavor, and then people usually add some pineapple peels. Some people add the actual pineapple fruit into it as well, but I'm choosing not to. Some people actually blend the pineapple and add it into the drink. And then I have quite a lot of sugar. You can put the sugar depending on how sweet you want your drink to be. And then I have some cinnamon sticks. And the reason I'm not using the powder is that the powder is usually a bit better if you add it directly as a powder. And then I have a nice big jug of water here. Most people add ginger. This time I'm not adding ginger, but you can add ginger if you want to. You can. Some people add garlic to it as well. I do not like garlic in my Zobo. You can literally add anything. You can add berries. You can add anything else you want. Okay, so my plan for this, I am going to boil this right down into a syrup, and then I'm going to be able to kind of drink it with maybe sparkling water or just mix it with something else. So that is my plan. So first of all, I am going to put my Zobo leaves into my pot right here. So I've already washed these leaves just quickly in some water. No major washing or anything, because you obviously don't want to wash all the flavor out of it. And then I'm just going to also add my pineapple peels. Obviously I wash the pineapple thoroughly before peeling it and using the peels for this. And then I'm going to just put my cinnamon stick. So I'm just going to use one. If I can open it, I'm just gonna use one stick. Pouring. So this was, by the way, about 1.5 cups of sugar, and the Zobo leaves was 2 cups of Zobo leaves. And then I have a nice big jug of water. Again, you don't have to measure this strictly. It's fine to just make it up as you go. So there is all my ingredients added. I might decide to add some more water to this later on, but I'm just going to leave it at this for the moment. So I'm going to boil this. This is just going to go on really low heat. Ginger is really nice in this, by the way, if you wanted to add ginger. Okay, and now I'm just going to cover that up and leave it to boil. And I'll be back to show you how it turned out. Okay, so my Zobo has been boiling for about an hour, actually an hour and a half. But you just judge it by how you feel. As I said, I wanted the Zobo to kind of reduce by a certain amount into kind of more of a syrupy type of consistency. So it's reduced by more than half really. And I'm just going to go ahead and strain it into this bowl with a sieve inside. Okay, so here we go. Squish as much of the juice as I can into the bowl. So this is really concentrated. My plan is to kind of dilute it with some water. So it's really thick. So I'll show you what my plan is for this in a minute. So I have my glass of water, my bottle of sparkling water here, and then I also have my glass. I just have some frozen berries in there, just as a kind of garnish. So I'm just going to pour some of this. So it is still a little bit warm, however it's cool enough, and I do have my frozen berries there to cool it down further. So I'm just pouring a decent amount in there, and then I'm just going to pour over it some sparkling water. So the syrupy type thing that I made is quite sweet, so this shouldn't dilute it down too much, and I generally don't like my drinks too sweet anyway. It's so pretty, isn't it? Okay, so I've got my straw. So I mean, you can put any type of garnish you want there. You can put some pineapple slices, you can put any other type of berries, you can even put ginger or like a slice of lemon in there if you wanted, but my red berries seemed like a good option. So I'm just giving that a little stir, and I'm just gonna have a taste. I wish you could taste this right now. This is really nice. It has a little bit of a sparkle from the sparkling water, and it is perfectly sweet. It's actually really sweet. It's not mild at all, and it feels really nice. That's delicious and refreshing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it, and I hope you picked up some things from it. This mixture I'm just going to store away in a jar, in a bottle, into the fridge, and I'm going to be able to dilute it with some sparkling water, or maybe a different type of juice, or some maybe tonic water, or use it as part of a cocktail or a mocktail. So it's very versatile. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. See you next time. Bye. That's so nice.